Welcome back, guys. Previously in our HTML crash course playlist, I explained the introduction to HTML tag, and how you can save HTML file. So today I'm going to be taking you guys on the practical aspects on how you can save your HTML file and write HTML code. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to start off with creating and saving HTML file. Alright. So first of all, I'm going to open my file explorer. I usually save most of my HTML file or my projects in my desktop in a folder called the coding folder. So I'm going to open that up. Now I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to name it HTML crash course. Alright. We have that saved. So now that we have it created, our folder created, there's a short form for creating a folder that is Ctrl+Shift and N, right? So our folder is created. So now we need to open our editor. Now we have our editor opened, okay? The name of the editor I'm using is VS Code in full, Visual Studio Code. I'm going to drop the download link for the editor in the description below. Moving on, we will have to open our folder in VS Code. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So I save it in my desktop, coding folders, then scroll down through to HTML crash course, then save, select folders. Now we have our folder open up in our editor. So the next thing I'm going to do is, we have an easy way of opening our HTML file or creating our HTML file in VS Code. So what I'm just going to do is just come here, click on this, create a new file, then I'll give the file name. Let me say index.html. So the dots is signifying the extension, and you can see that already signify that this is an HTML code with the icon here. So I'm just going to tab on this, then create the files. Now we've created our HTML file. There is another process or another way of creating a new file, which is going to the file, creating the new file, or you click Ctrl+N, then Ctrl+S, then you have the pop-up, then you input the name of the file. Let me just show you. Ctrl+N first, then Ctrl+S next, then the Ctrl+S, which is save. Ctrl+N is to create new file, Ctrl+S is to save. Then we have this option. Then see, we have in our crash course folder here already. So the next thing is change this to all files. Then you input the name.html. Alright, so that's easy. Then once you've input the name, click on save. Alright, so that's how you basically save and create HTML file. Or let me rephrase my word, create and save HTML file. Alright.